Do you ever feel frustrated learning English, thinking you'll never be fluent, or don't have enough time?
On White Eagle, I'll share my proven methods to make learning enjoyable and productive, just like I did with 2 new languages as an adult. My name is Alex. Welcome to White Eagle. Today, we talk about English. Many feel frustrated. They think English is hard, no time, never speak well. Do you feel this? It is okay. Many learners feel this. I help you feel good. We make it fun and easy. I know this feeling. I learned Spanish and Catalan as an adult.
Catalan is in Spain.
It was not easy. I felt frustrated and shy, but I found good ways. These made learning enjoyable and effective. I share tips today.
First, think about your mind. Many only think, I want to be fluent. Fluency means speaking English perfectly.
This is a good goal, but only seeing the end can make you forget small steps. Learn 1 new word today. Happy. Understand 1 more English sentence tomorrow. Proud. Speak better next week. Celebrate this.
English learning is not a race.
It is a journey. Enjoy every step. Be proud of your progress. This makes you stronger and helps you learn more. Next, find a way to learn English you like. If you like it, you will do it more. You will learn faster.
Do not do something you hate.
If you hate it, you will stop. Many fun ways exist. Like podcasts? Listen on your phone. Like English movies or TV shows?
You are a professional English voice actor.
Like reading? Read simple English books. Like to speak? Find a friend. Practice speaking. When I learned Catalan, I found a special podcast. I loved it. It was fun. I listened every day. I learned fast. Find your fun way. What do you like? Choose that. Learning should feel good, not like work. After you find a fun way, put English in your daily life. Do it every day. This is consistency. It means doing something regularly. A little English every day is better than a lot once a week. You do not need much time. Just 5 or 10 minutes. That is enough. Listen to an English podcast for 5 minutes. Do it when you wake up, travel, or during your break. Make it a habit. A habit is something you do automatically. When I learned Catalan, I listen to my podcast every morning. I drove to work. My podcast was always on. It became a strong habit. I never missed it. This daily time helped me a lot. You can do this. Find your consistent time. Now, let's talk about your free time. We all have free time. We often use our phones. We scroll social media. This takes much time. But your phone can be a powerful tool for learning English. When you pick up your phone, think, can I use this time for English? Yes. Watch a short English YouTube video for 5 minutes. Listen to a short English podcast. Use an English learning app like Duolingo. Write a few simple English sentences in your Notes app. This is a smart way to use your time. You already have this time. Just use it for English. These small moments add up. They help you learn more. They help you understand more. They help you feel good about your effort. Many ask about English classes. Classes and courses can be helpful. They teach grammar rules. They help you understand. But a class is one part of learning. It is not the only part. If you take a class, choose one you like. Choose a class that is fun. If the class is boring, you will not learn well. Use classes if you enjoy them, but also use your own fun ways. Listen to podcasts. Watch movies. Speak with friends. Classes and self-study work well together. Lastly, and most important, believe in yourself. You can learn English. I know you can. I learned 2 languages as an adult. It was hard work, but I did it. You can do it too. Do not doubt your power. You are strong. You are capable. Every small step is a step forward. Celebrate every new word. Celebrate every new sentence. Celebrate every time you speak better. These small wins build big success. Remember, the journey is fun. Learning is fun. Do not focus only on the end. Focus on today. Focus on your effort. Focus on your small improvements. Be happy. Be proud. You are doing great. I wish you all the best. Have fun. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Ready to transform your English learning journey? Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to White Eagle for more empowering tips, and let me know in the comments which method you're excited to try first.